Para makapag-create ng installment plan request, click the installment plan on the left side and add new request. Type customer's name and click search. Once mag-appear ang name ni customer, click to continue. Makikita natin dito ang customer's information at plan information. Click lang natin ang drop-down button para makapili ng plan na i-avail ni customer. Then edit the application and release date. After that, i-click ang drop-down button para makapili naman ng preferred payment mode. Then type the number of terms and amount. Click the calculate request and scroll down para ma-check natin ang amortization ni customer. Makikita natin dito lahat ng details including maturity date, principal balance, and monthly amortization. After ma-check, click save, then release. Makikita natin dito ang release date at reference number, then click submit. You can also print the form if needed.